ready, hold on. Mag-i-interview muna si Dylan.
1, 2, 3, sumigaw kay Dylan! Oh! How do you feel sa init ng pagtanggap sa'yo?
Grabe, kinikilig po ako ngayon. Grabe, wala, nakakatawa. Nakakataba ng puso na daming mga supporters, daming dreamers and mga homies na pumunta today sa Cup Sleep event.
Alam mo, kanina ka pa nila inaabangan at
seryoso
excited
ba?
sila dahil may games daw kayo.
Oh, sige, game ako. Anong games natin today?
Buti na lang talaga down to earth si Dylan at game na makipaglaro
Game
sa
ako,
kanyang
game
mga
ako,
dreamers.
of course.
What do you love about your dreamers?
They're very, well, first of all, I appreciate all the efforts nila sa pagpunta sa, kahit anong event, pumupunta sila. And yun yung mga na-appreciate ko kasi it doesn't, yung mga gifts na binibigay, it's a bonus sa akin. Pero it's more of the acts of service, yung efforts na pinupuntahan nila. And that means a lot to me.
Yes. And
May
bago kang maririnig, exclusive! Maririnig yung bago Sumasa iyo.
Sumasa iyo.
Sino to ba to?
No, it was same composer of my first single, si Cerrito. And it's exciting kasi it's gonna be released soon and mapapakinggan niyo mamaya sa Cup Sleep event later.
What's it about?
I won't disclose first.
Parang sumasamba sumasa iyo. Di ba?
Sumasa iyo.
Maghapon, ngayon sumasa iyo.
Yeah. Well, it's another sweet Harana pop song and it's about, just loving the person and siya lang talaga yung mahal mo sa buhay. So,
wow.
Para sa kanya lang talaga yun.
And how does it feel to be a Harana pop heartthrob?
Wow. Well, it feels good. I mean, it has always been my dream to, make music and release music. And bonus na ang daming nakaka-appreciate ng music, and I'm very thankful sa Universal Records kasi they gave me the opportunity to create songs with me, and ayun, to show the whole world the beauty of music, not just my music but sa lahat ng music.
And not only that, nakita ko na yung photo nyo ni Jada with
yes.
Trending yun
Nag-ano kami?
Kagabi ba yun?
Kagabi.
Oh my God, so you came straight from work?
Came straight from work. Nag-workshop kami kahapon, Coach Jay, Direk Sian, and Jada.
Mm-hmm.
It was fun. Ang dami namin natutunan. It was our first session yesterday. It was 6 hours. We didn't really tackle much about the character yet. We focused on the fundamentals, the basics of acting. So it's good. At least, alam mo yun, parang I get to learn or relearn the fundamentals of acting again. So
and Sian Lim.
Sian Lim, direct Sian Lim.
Si Zia nag-post.
Oo,
diba?
Si Zia nag-post. Nag-post siya yesterday.
Ay, awas si Jada, kabatuhan.
Masaya si Jada. Grabe, ang galing niya. She's very intellectual. She's very confident. She's a great singer. Yeah, that's what I can say. She actually, I'm not sure if I can disclose, but she wrote a song for Project Loki.
Oh, wow.
Super.
Ikaw, singer ka din eh.
Soon siguro.
Soon.
Let's see.
Sana collab din.
Sana collab.
Oo.
Yeah, hopefully.
What ride, ngayon na medyo, wala ka pang deep dive kay Loki, pero meron ka ng scratching the surface of, kabatuhan mo si Jada, etc. What ride are you taking us sa Project Loki?
What ride?
Nakamit mo na rin si Direk Sia, no, di ba?
Yeah, well, I'm excited. I'm really looking forward sa Project Loki. We've started ever since nung teaser video namin up until the workshops. And tuloy-tuloy pa rin workshops. There's gonna be continuous, I think 4 or 5 workshops pa. And ayun, we're gonna start shooting on October. So
wow.
It's fun. It's gonna be
Baka
exciting.
di ka namin makita sa vibe, ah.
Hindi naman.
Oh, ano naman yung schedule. Naka-block off ang Sundays. Pero ang galing mo magpaselos sa si Duseng Drake Palma. Ano si Tieto? Ba't ang bilis ang galing mo magpaselos?
Hindi naman. Si Trip yun.
Ako, team trip pala lahat dito. Dapat! Yes! Ako, hindi na kailangan sa soundbite ni Dylan. Yung mga fans na niya yung sumasoundbite. Trip!
Si Trip yun. Si Trip yung magaling.
Wow! Galing, di ba? Ba't kilig na kilig, oh? Wag na si Alice, ikaw na lang. Ikaw na lang. Wow! Magaling yung paselo si Dela. Si Trip pala. Oo.
Ayun.
Wala na gusto idagdag si Dylan.
Hindi, sana abangan niyo pa ang last 2 episodes ng Seducing Drake Palma. Bittersweet actually. Ang dami namin pinagdaanan. It's been a fun ride. Yung pinagsamahan namin ng SDP family, sobrang saya. As in, pamilya talaga kami. And ayun, bittersweet talaga kasi matatapos na. Pero at the same time, I'm very grateful sa Vivo One, sa TV5, Stages, sa nagbigay ng opportunity sa akin sa Seducing Drake Palma. It means a lot to me. It's my first Vivo One series and so far, so good. So I'm very happy.
Lead
diba?
na agad. Congrats, Dylan.
Thank you so much.
Congrats. Yeah. We'll just take a photo with your fans. Ayan. And